Hi, Matt Byer of Matt Byer Organizing and author of The Circulation Solution with a product review of one of my favorite organizing products. Hopefully you've already seen my #1 organizing tool video where I talk about the value of a clear work surface. The actual surface you use is far less important than the habit of keeping it clear. However, I do have a recommendation of a specific product for you. It's the Lifetime 4-foot by 2-foot folding table. This product is great for any organizing situation, whether you find yourself without work surface for processing or if you need to create additional work surface. When not in use, it takes up almost no space, and the convenient handle makes for easy transport. For reviewing, processing, and editing, 4 feet by 2 feet is the perfect size. Just big enough, but not too big. 4 foot by 2 foot has been the perfect size for organizing our clients for the last 15 years. This table pops up in just seconds, and I really like how it adjusts to this height. Much less back strain when processing. I have the old version of this table, and there's some improvements on the new one I really like a lot, most notably in the height adjustment. It's a little tricky on this thing because it's got this little tab to lock it in place. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So like here, this is not withdrawn back. It's not quite clicked into place properly. You have to monkey with it. Here on the other hand, super easy to identify. Orange button, you just press up, glides up, goes down. Super easy. And also on the new one, the lock in the middle is easier to find than the old one. It's a simple orange button, clicks into place beautifully. Some really nice improvements. My team always brings our clients a clean work surface. A quick wipe with a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and water makes that easy. Here's a final product tip. When you clear out your basement floor, leave one of these tables in the middle of it. You will be amazed how useful you find it for processing storage boxes. This table is great for staying organized if you use it strictly for processing and don't squander it on storage. Check back to learn more about storage. Stay organized, everybody. I'll see you around. If you haven't already, please be sure to download my best-selling organizing book, The Circulation Solution, for free. And if you'd like to get some organizing help through your computer, check out my virtual organizing services. And if you're ready for some COVID-safe, hands-on organizing with our all-new virtual review, contact me for a free virtual consultation.